Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to withdraw on Lightyear. So first of all, we are here at our portfolio, and if you can see, we don't have that much money. So first of all, you need to deposit money or trade money or make a nice investment and take your profits, and then after that you can withdraw it. What you need to do right here is click here on the expand option and then we go to withdraw. Then right now he's telling us where would you like to withdraw to. And then after that he's telling us no bank accounts connected, euro withdrawals require a euro bank. To withdraw euro, convert to another currency first. Alternatively, make a euro deposit to add to your bank account. So once you are having here standing €1 or maybe 10 or 20 or 1 million, you can withdraw it, and then you have the option right here to select your bank, because once you deposit money from your bank, he will find it right here in this list. So when you want to withdraw your money from Lightyear, go to this page, select the money, then select your bank, and then after that you can withdraw your money to your bank. So this is the place where you need to withdraw. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.